How to link your EA account to Twitch. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can link your EA account to Twitch account, or how you can link your EA and Twitch account. Now the process itself is simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you can do this on any of your device. You simply have to head into your browser, and on your browser what you want to do is at the search bar you want to type in ea.com/Twitch linking. As you can see, I've done so on the screen. Once you type it correctly, simply tap on go and you'll be headed to the page where it'll ask you to sign into your Twitch account and EA account simultaneously. So here you can see it's asking me to sign into EA account. You want to sign in using your EA account, then it'll ask you to sign into your Twitch account. You want to sign into your Twitch account. So once you do so, it'll ask you to confirm the linking directly. So you'll just have to go through the prompt and you'll be able to link it. So this way you can easily link your EA account to Twitch account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.